Hi, I'm Kimberly Durden. I'm a board-certified lactation consultant, and I've been helping moms and babies breastfeed for over 20 years. You may be wondering, how do I correct a poor latch? Some moms experience problems latching their baby from the very beginning, and it can be very frustrating. Latching on is the most basic thing that your baby's going to have to do in order to breastfeed successfully. So here are some things you might want to consider if you're having latch-on problems with your baby. Sometimes the shape of the mom's breast or nipple can cause difficulties for the baby and make it hard for them to latch on properly. Other times the baby can have an issue with its tongue or with how they suckle. Some premature babies may have trouble latching because their mouth muscles are underdeveloped, and also because it takes some energy to breastfeed and they may be a little too weak to breastfeed efficiently. Some solutions to try when you're latching your baby on are: pull baby closer to the breast, change the position of your baby, and don't forget to use pillows to raise the baby up to breast height. Try and remember to have patience with your baby, and most importantly, if you need help, get it. A good lactation consultant, a friend who's breastfed successfully, or a La Leche League leader can be helpful in getting your baby to latch correctly. Many moms have latch-on problems because they're not latching the baby deeply enough onto the breast. If a baby latches onto the breast shallowly, it will cause pain and the baby can't get a lot of milk for its efforts. Moms have to remember to allow the baby to take a large mouthful of breast in order to breastfeed effectively. If you keep trying over and over and it just seems to not be working, get help. You can use a friend, a community breastfeeding helper, or a board-certified lactation consultant. They're trained to help you overcome latch-on difficulties. I hope this helps you understand what causes latch-on problems and how to get the help that you need. Thanks for watching.